Hi, I'm Chef Tracy. I'm the executive chef for La Crema Winery, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this chicken into 3 meals. Yes, 1 chicken, 3 ways. Let's make some easy chicken hand pies. You're going to take your chicken meat and mix it with some fig jam and shredded cheese. Go ahead and egg wash that pastry and put that filling down right there on the egg wash pastry. Pinch the edges. Brush again with more egg wash, and then sprinkle it with sesame seeds. Bake for 20 minutes and you've got the tastiest, most delicious, and easy to make chicken and fig hand pies. Chopped chicken salad with La Crema Chardonnay. Start off by searing your halva cheese so it's nice and golden brown on all sides. You want that to get a little bit crispy. Then you've got all these great fresh ingredients. Go ahead and mix your vinegars and mustard in your oil to make your dressing. And then start chopping up all those veggies and the cheese, and then start adding everything into your bowl, including that picked chicken, beans, and quinoa. Toss it all in that delicious dressing, season it up with salt and pepper. Make sure and toss that so everything's well coated. Serve that over a bed of fresh spinach, and of course, enjoy with a glass of La Crema Chardonnay. Let's make comforting tortilla soup paired with La Crema Pinot Noir. Go ahead and roast your tomatillos and garlic in the oven, and then saute your other vegetables in a pan on low. Strain that chicken stock right into the pot and add in your roasted tomatoes, your white beans, and let that simmer for a bit. Go ahead and blend up that tomatillo mixture and add that right into the pot with your chicken. Let that simmer up and all those flavors develop. Then you're gonna pour yourself a glass of Pinot Noir and enjoy with this bowl of hot soup, fresh avocado, lime, cheese, radish, really anything you want that'll make you happy enjoying your tortilla soup with La Crema Pinot Noir.